Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add a scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. A scroll bar is a handy tool when you want to quickly adjust values, like increasing or decreasing numbers without typing them in. Here's how to set it up. First, go to the Developer tab. If you don't see it, right-click the ribbon, choose Customize Ribbon, and enable Developer. Next, click on Insert in the Developer tab, and under Form Controls, select Scroll Bar. Now, draw the scroll bar anywhere on your sheet. To link it with a cell, right-click the scroll bar and choose Format Control. In the dialog box, you can set the minimum value, maximum value, and incremental changes. Then, in the Cell Link box, pick the cell you want the scroll bar to control. Click OK, and now as you drag the scroll bar, the linked cell will update automatically. This makes it easy to build interactive dashboards, adjust budgets, or test different scenarios with just a slide. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.